What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 39 of the Chris Sain, let's just call it 20K challenge at this point. It's Friday, September 24th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal green week this week. I was able to pick up 2 pillar stocks this week. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, guys, here we are inside my tracker. I did not deposit any cash this week. So currently I'm still sitting at $9,350. And we were ending the week at $12,446.08 of last week. So again, 11,000 hasn't really broke under 12,000 since then. Doesn't mean that I won't, but so far so good. And transactions. So the 2 pillar stocks that I purchased today, I just bought more of Apple at 146.70. I had a little bit of a dip, not a big dip, but a little bit lower. And I bought 7 shares of that. And then Nike, I bought at 150.07, 3 shares of that to start building up my position in that for a long-term investment. And it had a bit of a sell-off. I think it was at 159 either today or yesterday. Had a bit of a sell-off, so I was able to take advantage of that. And no options this week. With that being said, guys, let's just go ahead and dive into that. Here we are, guys, inside my app. Your boy's currently at 12,034.44. So if we go back real quick, a little bit below that, and for the week down a little bit above 3.5%. Buying power right now is at 4,042.09. It was at 6,000. So again, I invested $2,000 into 3 different stocks, 1 Nike, 1 Apple, and 1 IIPR. Starting out with AvePoint, today pretty much flat. For the week, down a little bit above 3%. Still total return, I'm still down a little bit over 37%, average cost of $14.40. AMC, for the week, I was down a little bit above 4.5%. Total return, I'm almost even with the average cost of $40.03. Future FinTech having a dismal week this week, down a little bit above 6%. Overall down over 40% with the average cost of $363. Pretty top heavy in this with 27% of my portfolio allocated to it. That's why I'm trying to build up my pillar stocks. That way this will start going down a little bit more and more. Workhorse still down more than 6.5%. Average cost at $15.12. Total return down almost 50% in this play. Not too many shares in this, but still need to get rid of it. And then a new member of the family, Nike. For the week, it was down a little bit above 2.5%. It's that sell-off that I was saying earlier at 250. And I bought it around this time, right here. And I bought it about right here toward the end of the day. Basically broke even. Average cost is 150.07. Hopefully it goes down a little bit more next week. Was sitting with 3 shares. Then Apple bought more of this for the week, above 2%. Total return a little bit above 6% with the average cost of $138.46. Then Crestwood Equity for the week, about flat. Total return above 55%. Average cost $17.48. I will start putting more money in this slowly but surely. A dividend yield of about 9% on this play. Here we are, guys, with Innovative Industrial Properties for the week, up a little bit above 7%. I purchased 2 shares of this today. So now I'm sitting at average cost of $175.39 with average return almost 40%. And dividend yield is 2%. And I bought it at 246.43 today. And now to show you that I didn't transfer any money into my account. As you can see below, the last thing that I transferred to my account was $450 on September 20th, which is last week, which is what I showed right here. Also too, guys, I wanted to know if you guys are actually dipping into charge point next week or already have it. I was waiting for this thing to break 20 and it finally did later on in the day. And so I'll probably scoop up some next week, but I was kind of curious if you guys are feeling it or not feeling it. Do you think it's gonna be trash? Let me know your comments below. That being said, guys, I hope you have a great weekend. Give your boy that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.